Hi friends! Welcome to Bright Kids Official TV. Today we'll learn ABC Phonics A to Z. With A is for apple. Apple. Can you say apple with me?
B is for ball. Ball. Let's bounce the ball together. C is for cat. Cat.
Meow, meow.
Can you say cat?
Meow.
D is for dog. Dog. Woof, woof. Say it with me. E is for elephant. Elephant. Can you trumpet like an elephant? F is for fish. Fish. Can you blow bubbles like a fish?
G is for grapes. Grapes. Yum, grapes.
H is for hat. Hat.
Let's put on a hat together.
I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Yummy, yummy.
J is for juice. Juice. Sip. Can you drink juice?
K is for kitten. Kite.
L is for lion. Lion.
M is for mango. Mango. N is for nest. Nest.
O is for orange. Orange.
P is for pizza. Pizza. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit.
S is for sun. Sun.
T is for tree. Tree.
U is for umbrella. Umbrella.
V is for van. V, van.
W is for watch. Watch.
X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yak. Yuck.
Z is for zebra. Z, zebra. Great job, friends! You learned ABC Phonics from A to Z. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more fun videos with me. Bye-bye.